There have always been people in need of engineers and in need of new fresh ideas. The students of Tecnológico de Monterrey would always be there to help. Yes, indeed, this school has been preparing the best of the students. They could solve each and every type of problem there was. For there were always problems. But to those problems, there were students. Students like Guillermo. Yes, these students would always, and I say always, would be working on new real-life problems, thus preparing them for something like this.
Oh man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know.
Hello?
Mr. Aguilar, this is urgent.
What is it?
My airport is out of engineers.
China, right?
Yes, they are in China. Listen, we are building a new landing strip for the airport.
Say no more. I've got just the right people for doing the job. Alright. Let's do it.
And so, Mr. Aguilar grabbed the best of the school students, the greatest ones, the ones who could solve this type of problem. When they reached the airport, the students gathered around and saw what they had to work. They met Mr. Thomas, the owner of this airport, who would tell them what the problem was. Yes, the new landing strip was necessary, and for it, there needed to be several measures. Thomas was explaining that his engineers were very capable, but they weren't there. And he was also doubting if they were right for the job. But, my friends, using calculus, it was a simple job for these students. So the first thing they did was draw an XY axis, in which they drew the airport, where the new landing strip would be made. In it, they saw how an airplane lands, and they realized that it follows two functions, a quadratic one and a logarithmic one, in which they measured the area below the curve, and with that, they calculated the minimum amount that was needed for a landing strip. After integrating these functions, they were able to see what was the minimum amount of meters that were necessary for an airplane to land, thus concluding this story, successful as is for every student from the school. Thank you for watching, and please remember to view all of the rest of our videos. Here are the closing credits.